Welcome to Ka-52 Universe, your home for the untold stories, deep explorations, and unbelievable facts from the past, present, and future of military technology. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the most thrilling stories from the battlefield and beyond. In the year 2026, the Ka-52 Alligator has evolved from a powerful Russian attack helicopter to a symbol of cutting-edge air combat strategy. Originally developed by Kamov, the Ka-52 is a twin-seat variant of the single-seat Ka-50 Black Shark, but what makes the 2026 version so intriguing isn't just its original design. It's how it has adapted, transformed, and survived in a world of rapidly changing warfare. When the Ka-52 was first introduced into service, it already stood apart. Its coaxial rotor system, two main rotors spinning in opposite directions, eliminated the need for a tail rotor, making the aircraft more compact and maneuverable. Fast forward to 2026, and this design choice continues to prove vital. As urban warfare becomes more complex and frontline zones shift unpredictably, the Ka-52's ability to hover steadily, maneuver through narrow terrain, and provide close air support has made it an irreplaceable asset. In 2026, the battlefield is more high-tech than ever. Drone swarms, AI-assisted targeting, and satellite-guided artillery dominate the conversation. Yet, despite this technological shift, the Ka-52 remains relevant. Why? Because it has been upgraded to meet the challenges of the modern age. One of the most significant upgrades is the helicopter's avionics system. The newer models come equipped with multispectral sensors, infrared targeting systems, and real-time data links that allow the Ka-52 to coordinate with UAVs and ground units in real time. It's no longer just a helicopter, it's a flying command center. Then there's the question of armament. Traditionally, the Ka-52 was known for its powerful 30mm autocannon and its capacity to carry anti-tank guided missiles, rockets, and bombs. But in 2026, it carries far more than that. Equipped with new-generation smart missiles and counter-drone systems, the Ka-52 can take down aerial threats just as efficiently as armored vehicles. This multi-role capability means it's no longer just an attack helicopter, it's a guardian of the skies. One of the most remarkable operations involving the Ka-52 in 2026 took place during a multinational conflict in Eastern Europe. In a zone filled with anti-air threats and electronic warfare, Ka-52s flew low and fast, leveraging terrain and speed. Using jamming-resistant communication, they supported ground troops by disabling enemy armor and relaying critical battlefield data. Even when challenged by advanced NATO systems and drone interference, the Ka-52 units held their ground, well, technically, their airspace. One of the most remarkable operations involving the Ka-52 in 2026 took place during a multinational conflict in Eastern Europe. In a zone filled with anti-air threats and electronic warfare, Ka-52s flew low and fast, leveraging terrain and speed. Using jamming-resistant communication, they supported ground troops by disabling enemy armor and relaying critical battlefield data. Even when challenged by advanced NATO systems and drone interference, the Ka-52 units held their ground, well, technically, their airspace. But it hasn't been a smooth ride for the Ka-52. In late 2024 and early 2025, battlefield footage revealed several Ka-52s being targeted by man-portable air defense systems, commonly known as manpads. Losses in conflict zones sparked debates about the helicopter's survivability. The answer came in the form of enhanced countermeasure suites. By 2026, Ka-52s are equipped with the Vitebsk-2 defensive system, which includes laser warning receivers, missile approach warning systems, and automatic flare and chaff dispensers. This system can even jam the infrared guidance systems of incoming missiles, giving pilots those extra few seconds they need to evade. The 2026 Ka-52 is not just a machine. It's part of a broader doctrine, the way Russia approaches aerial combat and battlefield dominance. Unlike traditional helicopters that require large logistical support and airbases, the Ka-52 is designed for frontline operations. It can operate from unprepared sites, roadways, and even naval platforms. Yes, naval platforms. With its foldable rotor blades and compact body, the Ka-52K naval variant is now being deployed on Russian frigates and amphibious ships, giving it a blue water reach. Let's not forget the psychological impact. The sight of a Ka-52 in the sky sends a message. Its distinctive rotor sound, aggressive design, and precise firepower make it both a tactical weapon and a psychological tool. Troops who have operated with Ka-52 support often describe it as a game changer, capable of shifting the outcome of an entire engagement within minutes. The helicopter's durability has also become legendary. Built to survive harsh weather, poor visibility, and enemy fire, Ka-52s have been spotted returning to base with visible damage, holes in the fuselage, missing panels, and broken sensors, yet still managing to fly. This is not luck. This is engineering meant for real war. But where is the Ka-52 headed next? Military analysts predict that the helicopter will play an even larger role in hybrid warfare. As conflicts become less conventional and more fragmented, the Ka-52's ability to perform recon missions, support special forces, and suppress enemy positions without the need for full-scale air support will make it invaluable. And with autonomous flight systems being tested on modified Ka-52 prototypes, the next few years might even see unmanned versions of this beast patrolling hostile zones. For all its strengths, however, the Ka-52 does face competition. Western counterparts like the AH-64E Apache Guardian offer their own advanced systems, and drone technology continues to erode the dominance of manned aircraft. But the Ka-52's adaptability, field upgrades, and consistent combat record give it a unique place in modern air power. In the end, the 2026 Ka-52 Alligator is not just a machine of destruction. It's a survivor. It's a signal that in an era of lasers and satellites, there's still a place for rotary wing warriors who brave the skies with steel and fire. Whether supporting troops, destroying tanks, or surviving the toughest environments on Earth, the Alligator continues to prove why it remains one of the most feared helicopters in the world. Thanks for watching Ka-52 Universe, where we bring you closer to the power, the mystery, and the future of military innovation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow defense geeks, and let us know in the comments, what do you think is next for the Ka-52? Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep flying with us.